Class 7 IMO Level 2 previous year paper. Question number 1. Find the value of the expression if x is equal to 2, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to 3. According to the power of power rule, when a power is raised to another power, we multiply the exponents. So, x to the power a plus b to the whole power 2 becomes x to the power 2 a plus b, which simplifies to x to the power 2a plus 2b. Then we can apply this to all the terms of the expression. After simplifying, we can use product of powers rule and add all the powers. Now we can do the same for the denominator, that is using the product of powers rule in the denominator also. Now we can see that both the terms in the numerator and denominator are the same. So we will get the answer as 1. Question number 2. Find the value of the given expression. In order to find the value of this given expression, we have to use the BODMAS rule. Now, according to the BODMAS rule, we have to solve the inner brackets first. So, let us do that. Then, we can simplify it further. After simplifying, we will get the final answer as minus 3 by 5. Question number 3. Which of the following is true for the value of this given expression? First, let us solve this. Expand each term by multiplying the value outside the bracket with every term inside the bracket. Then we can group all the like terms so that they can be combined easily. First, we are grouping the coefficients of x square y. Now we can see that there are 3 terms having the coefficient of x square y. Then we can combine all these 3 terms. Similarly, there is another term having a coefficient of xy square. We can also see that there are 3 terms which have the coefficient of xy square. So we can group all these 3 together. Now we can see that plus 6x square y square minus 6x square y square will get cancelled. We can simplify further and the answer is minus 3xy square. Now let's substitute the values of x and y in the given expression as in each of the options. In option A, when x is 0 and y is equal to 1, minus 3xy square is equal to 0. In option B, when x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0, minus xy square is equal to 0. But in option C, when x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 13, we will get minus 3xy square as minus 2535. So the correct option is option C. Question number 4. Simplify the following. Here we can use the BODMAS rule again. First we have to solve the inner brackets. After solving, we have to solve the next brackets. After that we can simplify it and we'll get the answer as the B option. Question number 5. What should be added to minus 3a plus 7b minus 16 to get the sum minus 8? Let x be the number to which we need to add minus 3a plus 7b minus 16 to get minus 8. So we can write this as minus 3a plus 7b minus 16 plus x is equal to minus 8. Then transposing minus 3a plus 7b minus 16 to the other side, we will get minus of minus 3a plus 7b minus 16. And further simplifying, we will get the value of x as 3a minus 7b plus 8. Question number 6. Simplify the following. First, we can use the product of powers rule. Then, we can use the quotient of powers rule and simplify it further. Then, using the power of a power rule, simplifying, a to the power 4b minus 20. Question number 7. Simplify the following. First, we can use the quotient of powers rule. We can use the quotient of powers rule and bring all the terms in the denominator to the numerator. Then we can simplify to get the answer as 2.1. Question number 8. If p by q to the power rx minus s is equal to q by p to the power px minus q, then find the value of x. Let us take RHS So we should make the RHS is equal to P by Q so that we can equate the powers and find the value of X. That is, both of the bases in RHS and LHS should be equal. Since the base is same on both the sides of the equation, we can simply equate the exponents to find the value of X. If we equate, we will get the value of X as Q plus S by R plus P. Question number 9. Solve the expression. First, let us use quotient of powers rule and bring all the terms in the denominator to the numerator. Then, using power of a power rule, we can simplify it further. Now the answer will be a to the power 4 b square. Question number 10. The value of this expression is equal to. Let us use the product of powers rule. We can write 2 to the power n plus 4 as 2 to the power n into 2 to the power 1 into 2 to the power 3 so that we can separate the common powers of 2. This helps us simplify the expression and makes the calculation easier to evaluate. Now after evaluating the expression, we will get the answer as 1. Question number 11. Deepak bought 15 kgs of rice at rupees X per kg and 10 kg of dal at rupees 2x per kg. He also bought some fruits for 510 rupees. How much money did he spend altogether? Cost of 15 kg rice is 15x rupees. Cost of 10 kg dal is 20x rupees. Cost of fruits is 510 rupees. Now adding all of them, we will get rupees 35x plus rupees 510. Question number 12. 16 years hence, a man's age will be 9 times of his age 16 years ago. What will be his age 5 years hence? Let the present age of man equal to x years. Given 6 years hence, that is x plus 16, is 9 times his age 16 years ago. We can frame this as x plus 16 is equal to 9 into x minus 16. Solving the equation to find the present age, we will get the value of x, that is 20. So present age of the man is 20 years. They have asked what will be his age 5 years hence. So after 5 years, the man will be 25 years. Question number 13. Find the value of x. Let us solve the given equation to find the value of x. Solving the given equation, we can find the value of x, that is minus 1. That's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on post notifications so that you guys never miss another video that I upload.